Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today's quilt block comes from this old book I have in my library, and the name of the block is Castle in Air. I'm using 4 different fabrics. I'll leave the cutting information down below in the description box. The top is a very light pink I'm using for my background. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these 2.5 inch squares in half diagonally so I can make the center piece of my quilt block. The center square there is 2 inches, and I'll be putting 2 light blue triangles on opposite sides, and then I'll add the dark blue on the other sides of this square. After pressing my center block here, I'm going to square it up to 3 inches, and I'll use the 1.5 inch lines on my ruler to center my little square here. Now for the 4 outside corners of my quilt block, I need some half square triangles. So I have 1 blue and 1 pink, and I'll draw a pencil line from corner to corner on these 3.5 inch squares, and I'll put a seam on both sides of my pencil line. I'll need to trim all these half square triangles to 3 inches. I have the center of my block ready, and now I have the half square triangles complete. They've been trimmed to 3 inches, so I just have 4 more little elements to make for this block, and I'll begin with 2 4-inch squares, and I'm going to put them right sides together. I'll draw that pencil line again, and I'm making some half square triangles, but I will also be adding something else to these half square triangles for that last piece for my quilt block. At this point, these half square triangles that I just made should measure about 3.5 inches, but they do not need to be exact. I'm going to take some 3.5 inch squares, and I'm going to make another sort of half square triangle using those half square triangles on the back and drawing a pencil line from corner to corner in the opposite direction. This is how you would make an hourglass block with 2 half square triangles, but this time I'm just using one square on one side and a half square triangle on the other to make this small 3-inch quilt block. After getting all of my pieces trimmed to 3 inches, I put my quilt block together, and then I began sewing these elements in rows, and then I put the rows together. This is a beautiful block that just uses half square triangles and squares, and for my fabric today I thought I would share. I used quite a few pieces of cotton clothing that I found at the thrift store. There's a Goodwill outlet that charges by weight, and so it's very inexpensive to find cotton fabric in the form of clothing. So I usually keep the shirt or skirt together as I use it up. I know some people cut them up ahead of time, but I just will remove a sleeve at a time or a piece at a time so that it kind of all stays together. And these were some fun colors I found to use in this beautiful quilt. darker blues sort of travel diagonally in this layout here, and here they are going opposite directions and forming sort of a circle. So this is a great quilt block that can be laid out multiple ways. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.